Bali Belly, the story of how I conquered the infamous food poisoning in Bali and recovered in under 24 hours. But first, let's take a trip to the laundromat. Alright, just dropped off the laundry. About $4, wash, fold, everything. Pick it up tomorrow. So, yeah, I guess I'll head off to somewhere quieter, maybe near the beach. So, yeah, after 17 days, I finally caught Bali Belly, and it was definitely not a fun experience. Would not recommend. Definitely could ruin a vacation, or at least ruin your day, as it did for me. And yeah, I had it all. Had the explosive diarrhea, the vomiting, the headache, the fever, the fatigue, and yeah, just really felt terrible the whole day. Could barely even move. But luckily, I was able to completely get rid of it within 24 hours, which maybe I just got lucky, but this is what worked for me. So first, activated charcoal called Norit. You can get this at most pharmacies for about $1 or less. Super cheap and super effective. This stuff worked really well. A lot of people recommend this if you end up getting Bali Belly. And just be careful, some pharmacies were sold out, so I did have to go to a few. So it might be better to buy this in advance when you see it, because it's super cheap. And yeah, who knew? Activated charcoal. Good stuff. And then next, for the fever, what really helped me was this medicine I bought, also super cheap, called Panadol Extra. Has caffeine in it, pretty much just the Advil. But yeah, this stuff worked great. This really helped me through get over the fever, which got pretty intense. And then last but not least, our good friend Pocari Sweat. So this is actually a Japanese drink, but they have it everywhere here in Bali and in Indonesia. It's basically just Gatorade, but a little less sweet and help you with preventing dehydration and everything. But yeah, basically these three things worked for me. I felt completely cured. The next day, 24 hours later, I was back, completely fine again. Yeah, so if you do find yourself in Bali with Bali Belly, which apparently is super common, there's a chance you can recover pretty quickly. I know some people it could take a few days, even a week, to really recover, but yeah, this stuff really helped me. So, but anyway, maybe I just got lucky. So, there's a case it could have been more severe or something else could have happened, but luckily I have Nomad insurance, which has been great. I use Safety Wing. Their plans start as little as $45 a month, and yeah, they're super Nomad friendly, really easy to just pay for even after you arrive at the country. And yeah, I have that just as a backup. That gives me some peace of mind when I'm traveling. So definitely look into getting travel insurance if you're about to live the digital nomad life or go off traveling to a faraway country. I didn't even know nomad insurance existed until I found out about Safety Wing and all these things you can buy, and it's really, really helpful to know, really good to know that, if something does happen, you're covered. So yeah, because a lot can definitely happen in Bali. There's a lot of things that can go wrong, unexpected things, even though it's a generally safe country. You never know what's going to happen. So always good to have that peace of mind. But anyway, now that I have recovered, I think my stomach is ready to handle some more local Indonesian food. So one thing about Bali is that a lot of places do tend to cater towards tourists. There are a lot of like really high-end fancy restaurants. But I find that the food's not really that great. And it's like the service is amazing and everything, the atmosphere is great, but I don't know, I prefer those local like hole-in-the-wall places where there's an old lady running the place. So let's go to one of those. Alright, so this looks like the place here. Let's cross over. See what we find. Hello. Are you open? Yeah. Okay. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. I came back.
You want the shampoo one?
Which one?
Go. The shampoo?
Sorry?
It's way?
For here? For here, yeah. Yeah, for here. Yeah. Yeah. I need to. Yeah, hard to decide.
It's okay? And then?
And then, yeah, maybe that one?
Yes. Euro.
Okay, and the vegetable? Yeah.
And then?
And, what is that?
Sweet potato.
Sweet potato? Okay, sweet potato.
One,
Two sweet potato. Yeah. Okay,
One chicken?
that's it. No chicken, thank you.
Chili?
No chili.
It's okay.
No chili. Alright, thank you.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. It's pretty good. It's the real local experience. Rice in a paper plate. Bottle of iced tea.
It's okay?
Oh, very good. Thank you.
25.
25? Okay. 20. Okay, thank you. Oh. Whew. That was really good. A little spicy, but total came to 25,000, which it's like $1 or $2. Pretty good deal. Pretty good food. And yeah, I don't know, I just enjoy that way more than like going to some fancy sit-down restaurant, getting like artisanal pizza in Bali. It's just not, doesn't have the same charm to it.